Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to upload or add photos to Google Drive. Let's start. First open your Google Drive app. Here you will find a new named option. Tap on this new button. From here you can upload any photos or folder to Google Drive. Tap on upload. From here you can select any photos from your gallery. I'm selecting a photo. Tap on this photo and tap tick icon. Your photo will be uploaded soon. You can refresh. You can see your photo here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.